Hello business partners! In this tutorial, we're going to focus on the difference between formal style and informal style of emails. Alright, now formal style, this is an old-fashioned style of a letter where ideas and informations are presented carefully and more politely. There is a much use of fixed expressions. Grammar and punctuations are also very important. However, in business world, formal style is not so common and informal style is much more preferable. So in today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to rewrite a formal style of an email into an informal style. Now, why informal style of email is more commonly used in business world or in professional or work emails, and that is because both reader and sender are busy, so we need to use simple, more direct, and clear expressions. Alright, so this style is close to speech and it has informal words, expressions, and it also uses conversational and spoken expressions. Alright, so once again, we have here a formal style of an email and how to rewrite this into an informal style to make it simpler, more direct, and then clearer, which is more commonly used in professional and work emails. So here for a formal style, we're using unfortunately, but since, in a business world, everybody is busy, we want just to make things clear and simple, so we can use sorry. And then, I will not be able to attend the meeting on Friday, which is a little bit longer. Then we can simply make it shorter by using a contraction, can't. And then make it, which is a common spoken expression that is also useful if you are sending an informal email. Alright, so again, sorry, can't make it to the meeting on Friday. So they just have the same thought, the same message, but this one is simpler and more direct. Alright, so next sentence, as I will miss the meeting, so I decided to remove it because anyway, we have already mentioned it beforehand that I can't make it, right? So I was wondering if you could send me a copy of the minutes. Again, it's a little bit long, so we can just simply write, can you send me a copy of the minutes? That's it. It's more direct and it's clear, easier to understand. And here, I will write to Rina as well to inform her that I will not be there. So we are using a contraction, I'll write to Rina as well to tell her. So we change inform into a simpler expression, tell. Alright, that I won't be there. So from I will not be there to I won't be there. Alright, and then lastly, once again, please accept my apologies for this. We can just simply say, I'm really sorry for this. That's it. So if you are going to send a formal style of an email, well, you can follow the above one. Alright, and be careful with the grammar and correct punctuation as well. However, if you are going to send an informal email, then you can follow the second one. Alright, which is shorter, simpler, and more direct. And in this way, you can send your email fast. Thank you.